Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best running boards for Toyota Tacoma that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the APS 304 stainless steel pocket steps running boards. These running boards are compatible with Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2023 and feature a unique patented design tailored for light-duty urban use. The standout feature here is the use of 304 stainless steel for the square tube and drop step pads, paired with a triple-layer black powder-coated finish. This combination not only gives your truck an aggressive, tough look, but also ensures excellent durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. In terms of performance, the APS running boards offer a weight capacity of 500 pounds, which is slightly less than some of the other options on this list. However, their precision engineering ensures stability and ease of use, making them an excellent choice for everyday driving and light-duty use. The installation process is straightforward, with all mounting hardware and DIY instructions included in the package. While they may lack the two-tier functionality seen in other models, their sleek, urban-focused design makes them ideal for drivers who prioritize aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Overall, the APS running boards are great for those looking for a stylish, lightweight option that complements urban driving. The main downside is the lower weight capacity compared to other heavy-duty models, which might not suit off-road enthusiasts or those with lifted trucks. But if you're after a durable and sleek design for city driving, these might be just right for you. Coming in at number 4 is the Wyzona heavy-duty two-stair design running boards for Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2023. This product is all about durability and functionality. Constructed from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel, each side can support up to 550 pounds, a testament to its robust build quality. The textured black powder-coated finish not only adds a rugged look to your truck, but also provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance, making it a dependable option for various weather conditions. One of the standout features here is its two-tier design. The drop-down step pad is leaf-shaped and measures 6 inches wide, making it ideal for trucks with lift kits and oversized tires. It also enhances accessibility for rooftop tasks, making this a versatile choice for both urban and outdoor use. Installation is a breeze thanks to the bolt-on setup requiring no drilling or cutting. The package includes all necessary brackets, hardware, and detailed instructions, ensuring a hassle-free process. While this model is a fantastic all-around option, its design does lean heavily toward utility over style. If you're looking for something with a bit more visual flair, you might want to explore other models. However, for drivers who prioritize functionality and durability, especially for lifted trucks, the Wyzona two-stair design running boards are a reliable pick. At number 3, we have the OEDRO 6 inches running board side steps, designed for Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2023. Featuring a stylish black textured aluminum build, these running boards strike a balance between durability and aesthetics. The honeycomb anti-slip design in the center is not only functional for secure footing, but also adds a modern touch to your truck, ensuring it stands out on the road. One of the key highlights is its 6-inch wide stepping area, which offers ample space for comfortable entry and exit. This makes it particularly useful for passengers who may struggle with taller vehicles. The aluminum construction, paired with ABS plastic corner covers, provides excellent rust resistance while also protecting the edges from wear and tear. Additionally, these running boards help shield your truck's exterior from scratches and minor debris damage, making them ideal for daily use. However, there are some limitations with this model. It's not compatible with 2024 Tacoma models or access cab configurations. If your truck falls within these categories, you'll need to look elsewhere. But for those driving double cab and crew cab models within the specified range, the OEDRO running boards are a solid choice that combines style, affordability, and ease of use. At number 2, we have the Wyzona two-stair design running boards for the latest 2024 and 2025 Toyota Tacoma models. These running boards offer an upgraded design featuring a hefty main bar and stylish Wave and X logo embellishments. The oversized raised step allows you to stand comfortably with both feet, making rooftop tasks a breeze. Constructed from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel, each side can support an impressive 550 pounds, making it suitable for larger trucks and demanding use cases. What sets this model apart is its hollow step design, which prevents water accumulation and reduces driving resistance. This is especially beneficial for drivers in wet or off-road conditions. The ultra-thick main tube enhances vehicle protection, while the two-tier layout provides exceptional ground clearance and accessibility for trucks with lift kits and oversized tires. Installation remains quick and straightforward, with a bolt-on setup requiring no drilling. While this model excels in functionality and durability, its aesthetic enhancements might not appeal to everyone. The Wave and X logos add a bold touch, but may clash with more minimalist truck designs. However, for those seeking a rugged and stylish option for their 2024 or 2025 Toyota Tacoma, this model delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Yazana two-stair design running boards for 2024 and 2025 Toyota Tacoma double cab and crew cab models. This product combines everything you'd want in premium running boards: durability, functionality, and an intuitive design. Made from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel, each side supports up to 550 pounds, making it one of the most robust options available. The black powder-coated finish ensures excellent rust and corrosion resistance, guaranteeing longevity even in harsh conditions. The two-tier layout is a game-changer for lifted trucks and oversized tires, providing easy access to the vehicle cabin and roof. The 6-inch leaf-shaped drop-down step pad adds a touch of style while ensuring secure footing. Installation is straightforward, with a bolt-on setup that takes just 20 minutes. All mounting hardware and instructions are included, making it a hassle-free process for most users. What truly sets this model apart is its versatility. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or simply need reliable running boards for everyday use, this model fits the bill. The only downside is the lack of bold aesthetic features compared to other models on this list. However, if you prioritize functionality, durability, and ease of installation, the Yazana two-stair design running boards are the undisputed leader in this category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.